Now, for anyone wanting to get the bathroom renovated, you know it's Regency Plumbing, number one for bathroom renos in Auckland. So when you search regencyplumbing.co.nz, you're going to find the solution you've been looking for. Their team's going to create an amazing bathroom for you. As Regan always says, never been easier to get your bathroom renovated. They're going to come to you, talk to you about what you want, how it could be improved. They'll arrange all the trades, all the products, everything. They do the lot. And your bathroom could be next. Why on earth wouldn't it be, for goodness sake? You can't beat a beautiful new bathroom. Substantial business. Regency Plumbing, a true Kiwi business success story, as you've heard. They're celebrating 26 years this month. It's brilliant. They're brilliant. Punch above their weight. Good people, all of that. So they do just about everything. Plumbing repairs, gas installations, replacement hot water cylinders, underfloor heating, shower replacements, bathroom renos, luxurious bathrooms, up, down. They do it all. And they'll even help upgrade your home or the old rental property as well. So, get onto them. Regency Plumbing is where you go, .co.nz. Regency Plumbing, by the word, is one word. Regencyplumbing.co.nz.